This feature is called Product Upload with optional PDF generation, and it's useful whether you sell physical or digital products. You'll start by choosing a template for your products, and then you can upload listing images. If you're selling digital items, there's also an option to create a custom PDF. If you have a large amount of files, you may not be able to upload all in a single listing due to Etsy's file size limitation. You can create a shared link from Google Drive or Dropbox and pasted that link in, and we'll generate a PDF that includes your shop logo, product title, instructions link, and the product link. This is helpful because it also means you can update the files on your end anytime without needing to re-upload or change your Etsy listings. You can also include things like tutorials or extra instructions in your PDF by using a YouTube link. You can preview the PDF if you want, but it's optional. It's mainly there so you can check how it looks before uploading. Your tool will automatically include your shop's branding and any details you've added. If you're selling digital products, you can also upload files that will be delivered to buyers. For physical products, you can skip that part. You can set your SKU, title, tags, and descriptions in the upcoming section. You may also copy it from another listing, either one of your own or from another shop with similar products. The tool will pull the title and tags so you can tweak them for your own use. In the description section, it will combine your custom text with any text saved in the template you selected in the first step. Once everything is set up, you can click Create. After a short wait, your new listing will show up in your drafts, complete with the title, images, and any files you've included. If it's a digital listing with a generated PDF and an uploaded file, both will appear in the final listing. The price and other details will follow the info from your selected template. And that's it.